The Supreme Court's grilling of Trump's tariffs has sparked a heated debate with a bipartisan chorus of skepticism. A wall of doubt. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court delved into the legality of President Trump's tariff policy, and the justices, both conservative and liberal, left little doubt about their skepticism. The argument, spanning nearly 3 hours, saw Solicitor General D. John Sauer defending Trump's unilateral power to impose tariffs, citing 2 emergencies: trade imbalance and fentanyl influx. However, the justices were quick to challenge this claim, questioning the legal basis for such authority under the International Economic Emergency Powers Act, IEEPA. A battle of interpretations. Sauer argued that the statute's language is broad and that Trump's inherent presidential authority allows him to address national security and foreign affairs threats. Chief Justice John Roberts acknowledged the foreign affairs aspect but highlighted that, as interpreted by Trump, the statute imposes taxes on Americans, a power traditionally reserved for Congress. Justice Sonia Sotomayor added, under this logic, President Biden could declare an emergency due to global warming, justifying his environmental policy. Justice Amy Coney Barrett pressed further, questioning the historical use of the phrase, regulate importation, to confer tariff-imposing authority. The caustic response, when Sauer reiterated that emergency situations justify the tariffs, Justice Elena Kagan's response was caustic. We're in emergencies all the time, about half the world. Justice Neil Gorsuch posed an even stronger challenge, arguing that the president's position could cover any foreign affair, including the power to declare war, a power specifically given to Congress. He questioned, if Congress decides to hand over all its power to the president, what would stop it? Sauer's reply, that the president's powers are limited, didn't satisfy Gorsuch, who noted the practical impossibility of Congress reclaiming its power once ceded. Challenging the challengers, Neil Katyal, representing those challenging the tariffs, faced tough questions too. He noted that IEEPA, in its 50-year existence, has never been used by any president to claim such unilateral power. The hardest question came from Justice Barrett, who asked about reimbursing U.S. businesses for the billions paid under the Trump tariffs. Katyal's response, suggesting a variety of options, only led Barrett to conclude, so a mess. A swift decision? With both sides requesting an expedited decision, the case could be resolved sooner than usual. But here's where it gets controversial. Will the Supreme Court's decision uphold the checks and balances of our democracy? Or will it further empower an already powerful executive branch? And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about tariffs. It's about the balance of power in our government. What do you think? Should the president have such broad authority, or should Congress retain its power to tax and regulate trade? The Supreme Court's decision could have far-reaching implications. Let's discuss in the comments.